Alright, so I think I'm recording. We're looking at review problems for skill packet 7, and here in problem number 5, actually in 2, 3, 4, and 5, it has the same direction, or similar directions. It's the idea of coterminal angles. In problems 2 and 3, we worked in degree measure, and in 4 and 5, we'll work in radian measure. So, if I draw this negative pi over 2 in standard position, negative angle measures are a clockwise rotation. My initial side as always coincides with the positive x-axis, so this angle of negative pi over 2 is like that. Okay, so if I add complete multiples of 306, or excuse me, of 2 pi radians, then I'll come up with a list of coterminal angles. This time, since my denominator is 2, let's rewrite 2 pi with a denominator of 2, because I'm going to be adding 2 pi, and whenever I add fractions, I need a common denominator. So if I multiply this by the number 1, but I write 1 as 2 over 2, then I can think of 2 pi as the number 4 pi divided by 2, and now it's going to be easy for me to add this 4 pi over 2 and get a list of coterminal angles. So if I have negative pi over 2 plus a complete revolution, and remember I can put a 1 here, and that's 3 pi over 2. So I claim that if you start here on the positive x-axis and rotate a positive 3 pi over 2, that you started on the same place, the positive x-axis, and you rotated and you ended up on the same ray, which looks to be the negative part of the y-axis. All right, so if I add another revolution, if I take that 3 pi over 2 and add another revolution, I'll come up with another coterminal angle that's coterminal to both of those. You can think of this as a whole family of coterminal angles. And now I've come up with 2 positive angle measures, and that's all they wanted. I could have done more had they asked for it. Let's come back to our negative pi over 2 and subtract complete revolutions. So I've got negative 5 pi over 2 and if I subtract another revolution, negative 9 pi over 2. So there's 2 positive angle measures in radians and 2 negative angle measures in radians, and all 5 of these angles are coterminal with respect to another. If you draw them all in standard position, they'll have the same initial side and the same terminal side, and I hope that helps. Talk to you later.